As we age, our bodies naturally experience a decline in collagen production, leading to issues such as joint stiffness, wrinkles, and brittle bones. Collagen, the most abundant protein in our body, is responsible for maintaining the elasticity of our skin, the flexibility of our joints, and the strength of our bones. However, did you know that certain foods can help fight these signs of aging? Research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that nutrients such as vitamin C, proline, and glycine play a crucial role in collagen synthesis, and they can be found in everyday foods like citrus fruits, bone broth, and leafy greens. Studies suggest that these nutrients stimulate collagen production and support the body's natural ability to rebuild connective tissues. In today's video, we'll explore 7 surprising foods that can boost your collagen levels and help you rejuvenate your joints, bones, and skin. Stick around, because these simple dietary changes might just unlock the secret to a healthier, more youthful you. Number 1. Bone broth. Bone broth has been a staple in traditional diets for centuries, and it's now gaining widespread attention for its remarkable health benefits. Made by simmering animal bones, cartilage, and connective tissues over a long period, bone broth is packed with collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals that are essential for maintaining joint health, skin elasticity, and strong bones. Collagen is the protein that forms the structure of our skin, joints, and bones. When you consume bone broth, the collagen in the bones and connective tissues breaks down into gelatin, which is rich in collagen-building amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These amino acids are crucial for collagen synthesis and tissue repair. For example, glycine helps reduce inflammation and promotes the repair of damaged cartilage in the joints. Proline supports the structural integrity of the skin, while hydroxyproline helps stabilize collagen molecules, ensuring their strength and function. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Interventions in Aging have examined the impact of collagen supplementation, including bone broth, on joint health. One study found that collagen peptides improved joint function, reduced pain, and increased mobility in participants suffering from osteoarthritis. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted that collagen from bone broth, being rich in glycine and proline, plays a significant role in reducing inflammation and aiding the regeneration of damaged tissues. These studies support the idea that collagen-rich foods like bone broth may be beneficial in managing joint health and improving mobility. Take Lily, a 65-year-old woman with knee osteoarthritis. After her doctor recommended incorporating bone broth into her diet, Lily began drinking a cup daily. Within weeks, she noticed a significant reduction in knee swelling and pain. She found it easier to climb stairs and felt more agile overall. The collagen and amino acids from bone broth played a crucial role in repairing her joint tissues and improving her mobility, providing her with a more active, pain-free lifestyle. How to implement it? Making bone broth at home is simple. All you need is a slow cooker, animal bones, chicken, beef, or pork, water, vinegar, and vegetables. The vinegar helps extract minerals from the bones, and after several hours of simmering, you have a nutrient-rich broth that you can enjoy daily. Alternatively, pre-made bone broth is available in most health food stores. Incorporating bone broth into your diet is one of the most powerful natural ways to boost collagen production, enhance joint health, and promote overall well-being. Number 2. Chicken skin. Chicken skin might not be the first food that comes to mind when thinking about collagen, but it's actually one of the richest natural sources of type 2 collagen, which is crucial for joint health. Type 2 collagen is especially beneficial for the cartilage in our joints, and chicken skin provides a nutrient-dense source of this important protein. Collagen, specifically type 2 collagen, is found in the connective tissue of cartilage, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining joint mobility and reducing inflammation. Chicken skin is packed with collagen and gelatin, both of which support the lubrication of joints, reduce pain, and promote overall joint flexibility. Gelatin, a protein derived from collagen, helps to support the structural integrity of your joints by aiding the synovial fluid, which cushions the joints and helps them move smoothly. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted that the consumption of collagen-rich foods like chicken skin helps maintain joint health and mobility. The study showed that collagen supplementation, including collagen from chicken skin, significantly reduced joint pain and improved flexibility in people with osteoarthritis. Additionally, research conducted in the Journal of Nutrition found that type 2 collagen aids in cartilage repair and regeneration, further supporting the idea that collagen from chicken skin can be beneficial for people suffering from joint stiffness and pain. Oliver, a 52-year-old man, had been dealing with persistent shoulder pain from a rotator cuff injury. After learning about the collagen benefits of chicken skin, he began incorporating it into his meals. Within weeks, he noticed a significant reduction in his shoulder pain and increased flexibility. The collagen and gelatin from chicken skin helped repair the cartilage in his shoulder, making it easier to lift his arm without discomfort. How to implement it? Adding chicken skin to your diet is easy and delicious. You can roast chicken with the skin on, or use grilled chicken skin in wraps, salads, or as a snack. For a healthier option, choose organic, pasture-raised chicken, which provides a higher quality source of collagen and healthier fats. By incorporating chicken skin into your diet, you can provide your body with a rich source of type 2 collagen, which supports joint health, flexibility, and overall mobility. Number 3, salmon. When it comes to promoting healthy joints and strong bones, salmon is a true superfood. Not only is it known for its high omega-3 fatty acid content, but it also plays a crucial role in supporting collagen production, making it an excellent food choice for maintaining joint health and skin elasticity. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s help reduce joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, making salmon an ideal food for those suffering from arthritis or joint discomfort. In addition to omega-3s, salmon contains essential amino acids like glycine and proline, which are necessary for collagen synthesis. These amino acids are key for repairing and maintaining the collagen in your joints, bones, and skin, ensuring that your body's connective tissues remain strong and flexible. Collagen is the primary protein that provides structure to your skin, joints, and bones. As we age, our body's collagen production decreases, leading to signs of aging like wrinkles and joint pain. Consuming collagen-building foods like salmon can help slow down this process and support the body's natural collagen production, helping to restore skin elasticity and improve joint function. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and the Journal of Nutrition have shown that omega-3 fatty acids and collagen-building proteins found in salmon can improve joint function, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen synthesis in the body. Research has demonstrated that regular consumption of omega-3 rich foods, like salmon, can alleviate symptoms of joint stiffness and pain, especially in people with inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Nina, a 48-year-old woman who had been experiencing pain and stiffness in her wrists from repetitive motion at work, added salmon to her weekly meals after learning about its collagen-boosting and anti-inflammatory benefits. Within a month of eating salmon 2 to 3 times a week, she felt a noticeable reduction in her joint discomfort and increased wrist flexibility. The omega-3s and collagen-building proteins in salmon played a significant role in improving her overall joint health. How to implement it? Salmon is easy to prepare and can be enjoyed in many different ways. You can grill, bake, or pan-sear it, or even add it to salads, wraps, or pasta dishes. For the most benefit, choose wild-caught salmon, as it typically contains higher levels of omega-3s and vitamins than farm varieties. Adding salmon to your diet is a delicious and simple way to boost collagen production, reduce joint inflammation, and promote overall bone and joint health. Number 4, tofu. Tofu, made from soybeans, is an excellent source of plant-based protein and plays a significant role in supporting collagen production in the body. While tofu itself doesn't directly contain collagen, it provides essential amino acids like proline and glycine, which are crucial for collagen synthesis. This makes tofu a fantastic addition to your diet if you're looking to promote joint health, skin elasticity, and overall collagen support. Collagen production requires certain amino acids, and tofu is rich in proline and glycine, both of which are integral to collagen synthesis. These amino acids help your body build and repair collagen in the joints, skin, bones, and connective tissues. In addition, tofu is high in calcium and magnesium, two minerals that play vital roles in bone health and joint function. The combination of these nutrients makes tofu an excellent food choice for supporting healthy collagen levels, particularly for individuals following a plant-based diet. Tofu also contains isoflavones, plant-based compounds that have been shown to help regulate calcium levels in the bones and joints. These isoflavones support bone density and can also enhance joint health, making tofu a valuable food for preventing joint degeneration over time. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that soy isoflavones, which are abundant in tofu, play a role in maintaining bone density and supporting collagen production. The study also highlighted that plant-based proteins like those found in tofu can aid in the maintenance of joint health and collagen integrity, making tofu a great addition to any diet focused on boosting collagen production. Maya, a 43-year-old vegan, began experiencing joint stiffness in her knees due to a busy lifestyle and frequent physical activity. After adding tofu to her diet, particularly in stir-fries and smoothies, she noticed a significant improvement in her joint mobility and a decrease in discomfort. The protein and amino acids in tofu helped her maintain healthy collagen levels, promoting flexibility and overall bone health. How to implement it? Tofu is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. You can add it to stir-fries, curries, or soups, or enjoy it grilled, baked, or scrambled. It's also an excellent addition to smoothies, offering a creamy texture and a protein boost. Number 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula, are not only rich in vitamins and minerals, but also play an important role in collagen production. While they don't directly contain collagen, these vegetables are packed with nutrients that help the body synthesize collagen, support joint health, and promote skin elasticity. Leafy greens are excellent sources of vitamin C, a key nutrient for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C helps convert amino acids like proline and lysine into functional collagen fibers. Collagen is the primary protein in our skin, joints, and connective tissues, and its production is essential for maintaining the health and elasticity of these tissues. Without sufficient vitamin C, collagen formation would be impaired, leading to weaker joints and skin. In addition to vitamin C, leafy greens also provide antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenol, which help fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage collagen and other connective tissues in the body, leading to premature aging of the skin and joint degeneration. By including leafy greens in your diet, you help combat oxidative stress and support the strength and integrity of your collagen. Leafy greens are also rich in copper, another mineral essential for collagen stability. Copper helps stabilize collagen structures and ensures that the collagen produced in the body is strong and functional. Together, these nutrients make leafy greens a powerful ally in promoting healthy collagen levels. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that vitamin C and copper are vital for collagen synthesis and the maintenance of connective tissues. Studies have also demonstrated that consuming antioxidant-rich foods, like leafy greens, can protect collagen from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of joint pain and skin aging. Henry, a 55-year-old man with chronic back pain, decided to add more kale and spinach to his daily meals. He incorporated them in his smoothies and salads, and after several weeks, he noticed less stiffness and pain in his back. The antioxidants and vitamin C from the leafy greens help support his body's collagen production, improving his joint mobility and overall comfort. How to implement it? Leafy greens are incredibly versatile and can be easily added to your diet. You can incorporate them into smoothies, soups, salads, or stir-fries. Sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a quick and healthy side dish, or use them in wraps for a light meal. Eating a variety of leafy greens a few times a week will help ensure that you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to support healthy collagen production and maintain joint flexibility. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are not only delicious and refreshing, but also powerful sources of vitamin C, a critical nutrient for collagen synthesis. Collagen, the protein responsible for the strength and elasticity of your skin, joints, and bones, relies heavily on vitamin C for its formation. By including citrus fruits in your diet, you can significantly boost your collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and promote joint health. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen because it helps convert the amino acids proline and lysine into functional collagen fibers. Without adequate vitamin C, your body cannot produce collagen efficiently, leading to weakened connective tissues. Collagen is vital for skin health, keeping it smooth and firm. It also plays a role in maintaining joint health by supporting the cartilage and bones. In addition to vitamin C, citrus fruits contain antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can break down collagen and accelerate aging in both the skin and joints. The antioxidants in citrus fruits help neutralize harmful free radicals, which can otherwise damage collagen and cause inflammation. Regularly consuming citrus fruits can protect your collagen from degradation and support the health of your joints and skin. Numerous studies have demonstrated the significant role of vitamin C in collagen production. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that vitamin C deficiency leads to impaired collagen synthesis, contributing to weakened connective tissues. Another study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that the vitamin C in citrus fruits promotes collagen synthesis and enhances the skin's ability to retain moisture, improving its elasticity and texture. Clara, a 49-year-old woman with elbow pain, started adding more citrus fruits to her diet after learning about their collagen-boosting properties. She began eating oranges and grapefruits daily, and after several weeks, she noticed a reduction in swelling and pain in her elbows. Her joint flexibility improved, and she attributed this to the vitamin C from the citrus fruits, which helped enhance her body's collagen production. How to implement it? Citrus fruits are incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can enjoy them as a snack, add fresh citrus juice to your smoothies, water, or salads, or use citrus zest to add flavor to dishes. Drinking fresh lemon or lime water is also a great way to start your day with a vitamin C boost. By adding more citrus fruits to your diet, you'll be supporting your body's collagen synthesis, improving joint health, and maintaining youthful, glowing skin. Incorporating collagen-boosting foods into your diet is one of the most effective ways to maintain healthy skin, flexible joints, and strong bones as you age. Whether it's the amino acids from bone broth, the collagen-rich chicken skin, the omega-3s from salmon, or the vitamin C in citrus fruits and leafy greens, these foods provide the essential nutrients your body needs to support and rejuvenate collagen production. Scientific research supports the idea that these nutrient-dense foods can play a crucial role in improving skin elasticity, reducing joint pain, and enhancing overall mobility. Studies have shown that collagen synthesis is directly influenced by vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, and by regularly consuming foods that contain these elements, you're helping your body fight the natural decline in collagen that occurs with age. It's not just about looking younger. It's about feeling stronger and more mobile in your daily life. By choosing to nourish your body with these powerful foods, you're giving yourself the opportunity to maintain a healthy, active, and pain-free lifestyle. Start incorporating these 7 collagen-boosting foods into your meals today. With time and consistency, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's appearance and your joint health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maintaining your overall health and vitality.